Now let me show you auto filter. You may have seen this on spreadsheets before when you have the header with an arrow and you're able to drop down and select things. So what I can do is actually just be in here anywhere. And in the Home tab, go to Sort and Filter and go to Filter. And because I was in this group of cells, Excel being so smart, it knew I wanted to filter this group of data. So now when I click on this, I can filter it. I can just have eggs, milk, and veal. And it rolls that up, hiding the rows that we don't want to see. Another option is to do a text filter. So we want something that contains, I don't know, E and A. It's chosen steak with the EA and veal with the EA. Not sure why you'd want that, but hey, if there's some reason out there, that's what it's for. So let's say that we want to undo this filter. In these options here, one of the options is clear filter from item. And if you want to undo filter, just go to sort and filter and click on filter again. And it's gone. So go to sort and filter, go to filter. And also in the filter menu, you can sort A to Z. I believe it already is, Z to A. And it's going to take into consideration that particular column. It's going to sort by one column only. So here we've sorted by code descending. You can see this little arrow right here. Let's say we wanted to sort by storage and cost because we have some duplicates in here and these aren't necessarily sorted. So we want these to be alphabetical and these to be descending. So again, I'm going to right click, go to sort, go to custom sort. And here we have checked that the data has headers. You see those headers are not highlighted. We uncheck that, it includes the headers, but then we have their generic names. I'd rather sort by name. So I'm going to hit sort by first, storage, add level, then by cost. Let's change that from largest to smallest. And there we go. We have 2 dairy products sorted by cost, 2 cooler products sorted by cost, meat, etc. Again, just a surface level for sort. There's more detail in that. But for the most part, this will get you started.